guys to LAK YouTube channel, and today I am racing some RC cars, and this is a RC car and it's Sport Racing 10 Metal. It's written, guys, see? And this is a climbing truck. These both are sweet, guys. And you know something cool about these cars? They have waterproof windows. And they're the best cars, and they're very fast, guys. Very, very fast. It's like faster than a BMW car. And this sweet car is this. It has this remote, and it is this car. See this, guys? It's a snake bar. You wanna listen to this music? Here it goes.
Snakebite monster truck from Newbright. With its lighted venom power, Snakebite can raise up and drive vertically on its back wheels to spins and rollovers, along with self-riding capability. Fast charging USB system, all batteries included.
See that, guys? It's very cool. And these juices are sponsoring this video. There's different flavors, like this fruit punch flavor. I love this. This apple juice flavor. It's in Costco only, and this very berry is in Costco only. All three flavors, bro, these are so slippery. Okay, so all these flavors, you see, they are very sweet, and they just have 90 calories for each. You wanna see, guys? See, 90 calories. 90 calories and 90 calories, and total fat is 0%. Don't worry. And it's for childs, but I don't think any other 3 years could have it, because it's just lots of sugar, and the kids have. It's not that much sugar, guys, but it's a little sugar, guys, like 1% of sugar. Okay, guys, so we're gonna race these cars, guys. Let's see it. Come on, guys. Let's see these sweet cars. First, this car with the sweet teeth. Guys, with the sweet teeth. Okay, guys, let's see it, guys. Let's see the car race. Let's on it first, guys, because then how will the car work? Guys, see, you want to see this sweet car? See this, guys. See that? It's taking over the boot. Let's see how fast this is, guys. Come on, let's do this. Guys, let me show you. Ha ha ha. You ready, excited? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're excited, guys, okay? So, let's see. See, guys. Guys, I'll show you one more time, but with the front. That car's coming back. Here it is, guys. And it is very fast, like faster than the Lamborghini. Okay, guys? So this time I'm going to take it from a front camera. Okay, guys? Follow me. Ha, ha, ha. Come on, guys. Let me run through all the obstacle courses. And I had to say, don't forget to watch my other three videos what I posted. And let's begin. Let's go. See that car right there? I don't think you can see it, guys. See that? Guys, now let's see race time. Come on, guys. It's starting now. See, guys. so sweet. And you wanna see how the car looks now? See this, guys. And now for the second RC car tour. Now for the second RC car, guys. Let's do this, guys. Okay, let that car be on, guys. Hey, Mr. Car, don't you dare follow me. Good guys. Now the cars are in my chair, and while I was taking the video, I was just drinking some juice. This fruit punch juice. That's my Inspire. And bro, I have to. Oh, guys, I thought that's a fruit punch. Now for this RC car, guys. See this. Yo, yeah. And I'll just do it from here, guys. See the RC car. Look how fast this is. Oh. See this, guys? And it can also change colors, as you see. And now for the speed test. Come on, guys. Let's control it. Wait here, guys. Tell me if you can see me, guys. That's a quiz. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Right here. Did you see me, guys? Comment down below. Now, let's see the car go. Straight and boom. Oh, no. The car battery ran out. Let's see it again. Come on. Guys, wait here. Guys, wait here. Let me see something. Oh, I get it, guys. It's not off-road. Trick you guys. It's a climbing car, so it has to be off-road. Oof. Did you see that, guys? See how it looks now. This back is full broken. Oh, it's fixed. I never knew that. Now I just have to use the same remote, guys, for this car. Come on, guys. Let's see how fast this car is. It is a metal car. So let's see if it brakes. It's perfectly fine. Guys, now tell me if you can see me again. Comment down below the same time. Okay? Tell guys. Oh. Right here. Did you see me, guys? No? That's okay. That's okay. And if you get to the juice blocks from Walmart, that's good. Okay, guys? Now let's see how fast that car is. Come on, guys. That's so babyish. Let's see the quick power, guys. Oh yeah, guys. Woo! See that RC car? That's the best one of all, guys. And see this car? This is a low extension. See, it looks smart like this or like this. Comment down below, guys. Okay, now next, let's see if this car can beat this. That RC car's right there. Okay, guys, I might have to get it, but I have a cool thing after that when I have to tell you. Look at this, guys. Let's see. Let's see if it can beat that. Come on, beat it, bro. It hit you guys instead. Okay, I guess this car cannot do it. No. Let's try the climbing car. Come on, guys. Let's see it. Come on, use the full power. Okay, that doesn't work. So now let's go to the green car. Okay, guys, look at this jungle next to me. That's kind of creepy, guys, you know. And you know what? Lions come out, chimpanzee come out, monkeys come out, tigers come out, and squirrels come out. Leaves. The best part about this jungle is, see that tree? Leaves fall and me and my father catch them. And here's the green car, as always. Now let's get it back. Wait, guys, I forgot something. We forgot the military red metal. Here it is. Woohoo! Oh, yo, yeah. Now let's be ready to control it. I think this is easy for it. It's easy. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Did you see that? Did you see that? See how it is right now. It fell down like this. Guys, that's very bad. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys. See you in the next one. And don't forget to buy the inspire of the video. And it's the juice. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.